Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain lesson 1 Gulliver in Lilliput. Students, this is the summary of the lesson. This story is about a man named Lemuel Gulliver. He was a surgeon. Okay, who is surgeon? Surgeon means a doctor or a doctor who is expert in surgery. That person is called surgeon. So he was a surgeon on a ship. Its name was Antelope. This is the name of a ship. Lemuel Gulliver had a great desire to travel because he wanted to discover new lands. He was not scared of danger or pirates. Pirates means sea robbers. To fulfill his desire, he quit. Quit means to leave, यानी छोड़ना. To fulfill his desire, to fulfill his wish, he left his job and accepted his job as a surgeon on a ship. On May 4, 1699, he sailed from Bristol for the South Sea. Bristol is a Bristol is the name of a place. In the beginning, the weather was fair, the weather was good. But suddenly there was a great storm and the ship hit some rocks. What happened to the ship's crew? Crew means the the persons who work on a ship. So what happened to the ship's crew? No one knows. Probably they were drowned. Drowned means डूब जाना. Now Gulliver was alone. He reached dry land by swimming. There was no signs of houses or people on that strange land. It was growing dark. Gulliver was very tired, so he fell asleep on the shore. Next morning, when he woke up, he tried to get up. He was unable to move. He found that his arms and legs were tightly fastened. Fastened means tied, यानी बंधा हुआ. Were tightly fastened to the ground. He saw that there was a group of small persons all around. They were moving on his whole body with bow and arrows. When he was trying to save himself from them, they were throwing arrows on him by saying tolgophonic. Tolgophonic means to attack. Those small persons took him to the king. The king called the counselors. Counselors means the advisor, to discuss about Gulliver. After that, it was decided in the meeting that Gulliver would be given bread and wine daily. The tailors were told to make a suit for him. The king hired 6 professors to teach him the language of the country. After learning the language, he understood that this place is Lilliput and the people who are living here, they are Lilliputians. He sent a petition. Petition means an application to the king requesting that he was allowed to walk about. The king granted freedom to him. Gulliver reached the city named Mlando. Gulliver meets Redursal. Okay, there Gulliver meets Redursal, the king's chief secretary. Okay, Redursal was the king's chief secretary. Redursal told him about a war between Lilliput and Blefuscu. He told that there was a custom. Students, custom means tradition. Okay, what is tradition? For an example, on Mahashivratri, we worship Lord Shiva. Okay, on Mahashivratri, we worship Lord Shiva. So this is an Indian custom, or you can say this is this is the tradition in India. So he told that there was a custom in Lilliput to break an egg from the big side in the beginning. Okay, students, have you seen an egg? An egg is not equal in shape. On one side it is big, on other side it is small. Okay, so what was the custom in Lilliput in the beginning? Beginning means in the starting. There was a custom in Lilliput to break an egg from the big side in the beginning. But one day the present king's grandfather, as a boy, had cut his finger when breaking an egg. After that, after that incident, the king ordered to break an egg from the small side. But the people refused to obey it. Refused means denied, यानी मना कर दिया. But the people refused to obey it. As a result, the heads of many Lilliputians had been cut off, or they had been thrown into prison. Prison means jail. For safety, Lilliputians started living in the neighboring country named Blefuscu. The king of Blefuscu started to interfere in the affairs of Lilliput. Due to it, they started fighting. By hearing this, Gulliver promised to help Lilliput. Students, I will come soon with next lesson. Thanks for watching.